Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our Typhoon 2000 weather analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, February 7 to 9, 2022. And let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. The winds has been shifting now from the east, and we are now on the Easterlies. And it's also producing some cloudiness with some isolated rain showers across the eastern sections of the country and into the areas like Visayas and Mimaropa. The rest of the Philippine Islands, particularly the western sections of Luzon, that includes Ilocos region, and the western sections of central Luzon will remain dry. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure area or tropical cyclone that could pose a threat to our country. We have here a surface trough over the central parts of Micronesia and a shear line of a frontal system across the Philippine Sea. And we have here another developing frontal system that could pave way for some northeasterly monsoonal winds here across the Taiwan area and southern China. Now let's take a look at the fast animation. So there you go. These are westward moving cloudiness generated by the easterlies. This is quite stronger if we have an existing La Nina phenomenon. That's why there are rain showers and possible thunderstorms that is expected to affect the southern areas of the Philippine Islands. Here's the zoom in satellite animation. So as you can clearly see here, these are low to mid-level cloudiness generated by the easterlies. This is expected to bring some showers along the eastern seaboards of Luzon and some isolated areas of the Bicol region, and also across eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao. There is some cloudiness within the central and western sections of Mindanao, including Zamboanga Peninsula. These are due to the convection brought about by high temperatures over land. And if we take a look now at the rain forecast for the next 3 days, we could expect some isolated rain showers across the eastern sections of Luzon, Bicol region, eastern Visayas, eastern and northeastern Mindanao for the next 24 hours. And by tomorrow afternoon, there will be some thunderstorms developing across the island of Mindanao due to the easterlies. So expect afternoon thunderstorms across those areas, particularly over Davao region, Davao City, and also across Oxygen and portions of Zamboanga Peninsula and eastern Mindanao. And on Wednesday, the same weather situation will be expected across Mindanao because of the easterlies, while over the Bicol region, Visayas, we have now the winds shifting from the northeast. So this might be already known as the northeasterly wind flow. And over the areas of southern Palawan, there could be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms due to the convergence of these northeasterly winds. And on Thursday afternoon, the same conditions, afternoon thunderstorms will prevail across Mindanao and also over southern Palawan, and some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms over portions of central Visayas, while the northeasterly surface wind flow will prevail across the whole of eastern Luzon and the Bicol region, as well as Mimaropa. So that's the rain forecast. If we take a look at the total rainfall forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, so we could expect this kind of rainfall situation across the eastern sections of Luzon, some portions of eastern Bicol region, eastern Visayas, coastal areas of eastern Visayas like eastern Samar and eastern Leyte, and it will be more intense here across the eastern sections of Mindanao, particularly over Davao region and Caraga, and some portions of northern Mindanao and Bukidnon, and the northern portions of Soxagen. Davao City will also be expecting some rain showers or thunderstorms within the next 3 days. So these are the rainfall accumulation beginning today, Monday until Wednesday. And before we leave you, here's the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday. So tomorrow, Tuesday, you can expect still the easterlies here over the eastern sections of the Philippine Islands, but we have another surge of the northeast monsoon moving downwards, and it could affect the Batanes-Babuyan Group of islands. So we expect here some cloudy conditions, some light rains, and winds of 30 to 60 kph. And the coastal areas across the rest of the eastern sections of the Philippine Islands will remain moderate to rough, with waves reaching from 2.5 to 3.5 meters today till the next 3 days. Okay? And on Wednesday, the northeast monsoon will weaken over the Batanes-Babuyan Group of islands, and northeasterly wind flow will prevail across the Bicol region, Mimaropa, and Visayas, including the eastern sections and northern sections of Mindanao. And on Thursday, northeasterly surface wind flow, light winds, light to moderate, will prevail over the same areas that we've mentioned. And also another mild surge of the northeast monsoon is seen to affect the Taiwan Strait and the eastern and northern sections of Taiwan. So far, that's the latest update. So for the next 3 days, the weather conditions across the Philippine Islands will remain good, except for some isolated passing rain showers or thunderstorms along the eastern sections of the country due to the easterly surface wind flow shifting to northeasterlies come Wednesday and Thursday. So that's it. That's the latest for today, Monday. And we will return on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Be healthy and strong. And thank you so much for watching our channel.